The president came to Minnesota's Target Center on a Saturday for his fifth health care address this week, a week the White House believes President Obama turned the health care debate around.
Are you fired up? Ready to go?
After months of dwindling support, a CBS News poll shows a growing number of Americans approve of his handling of health care reform since his speech to Congress this week. The White House believes the president has also figured out how to appeal to Americans who already have insurance, who may feel threatened by health care reform.
A new report from the Treasury Department found that nearly half of all Americans under 65 will lose their health coverage at some point over the next 10 years. Think about that.
And the crowd responded in an event that seemed more like a campaign rally than a health care speech.
We got to do something.
Anyone was welcome to attend today. Some 15,000 showed up, but mostly the president was preaching to the converted.
We need health care for everybody in this country, and we really need a public option.
And in an interview for tomorrow night's 60 Minutes, the president acknowledged that his campaign for health care reform does carry risks.
Once this bill passes, I own it. And if people look and say, you know what, this hasn't reduced my costs. My premiums are still going up 25%. Insurance companies are still jerking me around. I'm the one who's going to be held responsible. So I have every incentive to get this right.
You could see and hear a real difference in the president today. In previous health care events when the polls were against him, you could hear it in his voice and see it in the body language. Today he was relaxed and upbeat, really responding back and forth with the crowd. And the White House is taking advantage of that change in attitude. They've got at least 3 health care events scheduled for the upcoming week. Kimberly Dozier, CBS News, Minneapolis, Minnesota.